Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel, Miss Ayurveda. In this video, I'll answer these questions. So, if you are associated with any of the questions, then do stick to us till the end of the video. So, the first question is where to sell our hair? The next question is how much money we can make out of our hair? The third question is will they buy henna applied hair? The fourth question is can we donate our hair? The last and very important question is how to grow hair faster after cutting it. Let me answer these questions one by one. The first question's answer is where we can sell our hair. So in Siliguri there is a place called Ranjan's Studio where you can sell your hair provided it is of minimum 18 inches. Friends, if you are thinking of selling your hair, make sure that it is of 18 inches of length at least, because if it is below that, then there is no point in going and meeting them. It will be a waste of time of theirs as well as yours. Friends, these are the places where you can sell your hair. You can make a phone call one by one and discuss the terms and conditions, and if you don't agree then you can negotiate as well. If you have good hair, then they have to agree on your terms and conditions. Now the next question is how much money we can make out of our hair. So it depends upon the quality of the hair as well as the requirement. If they are in need of any kind of hair, then they will surely buy it randomly. But if they have raw material in abundance for wig making, then certainly they will pay you a little bit less. So for that, you have to visit the studio and get your hair checked, then do the negotiation. Let me answer the next question, and it is will they buy henna applied hair? The answer is yes, they do. Now the fourth question is about donating hair. Let me tell you that there are crores of cancer patients who require hair for wig. And human hair wigs are very expensive. It starts from 10,000 rupees, which are unaffordable for these poor kids and other people as well. Therefore, whatever hair we donate, they segregate it based on its color, length and texture as well. After the procedure, which is very tedious, maximum hair gets wasted, and therefore they ask us to donate lengthy hair preferably, because short hairs are very difficult to handle. So when you are thinking of donating, it should be at least of 12 inches. Let me repeat, the hair which you want to donate should be of 12 inches, and there is a particular process that you have to follow before chopping off your hair. Without this, your hair will just go into dustbin, because there are people who just randomly collect the hair from the floor and then pack it and give it to those institutions, which is not going to work at all. For that, the donor should follow 8 steps, and in all the 8 steps he or she has to click photograph, and they have to send it to those institutions' WhatsApp number and then pack it properly and send it to them. If those processes are not followed, then they will not accept it. And the process is not hectic at all, just 8 simple steps, and then you have to send it. Alright, so I'll tell you all those processes in this video. Don't worry about that, it's very simple. So the last and extremely crucial question, and that is how to grow hair faster after cutting it. Because sometimes it happens that after donating we regret because our hair becomes very short, which we don't expect. Friends, not to worry about that also, because by donating your hair, you are providing a smile to kids. Not only that, you are sacrificing for others. That is the main thing which gives happiness and which makes you higher than other people of the society. Okay, let's come to the point, how to grow hair faster. First of all, you have to take olive oil, which is available easily in Amazon and Flipkart. I prefer Amazon because I have been using this oil since 2 years and the result is marvelous. You can see it in the video as well. Next, you have to add amla powder along with to it fenugreek powder, that is methi powder. For making powder of this methi, what you can do, you can roast raw methi in a pan and then you can make powder of it. That's it. So all these 3 items you can mix it well and then you can keep it as long as you want. Apply it twice in a week and then you can see marvelous results. Now I'll tell you what you should do while selling and donating your hair. Let me tell you, for selling there is no hassle at all. You will just go to the studio, they will check and they will ask you how much length you want to donate and then they'll cut it and then they'll shape your hair. That's it. You'll get the money and you'll come back home. Now there are 8 steps which I told you that you have to follow. I'll tell you one by one here. So first you have to wash and dry your hair completely. Make sure that your hair has no dirt and no oil. If oil and dirt and the water is there in your hair, then wig cannot be made and it will be put into dustbin straight away. So first process is to wash it twice, thrice to make sure that your hair is dirt free, and dry it properly with dryer or you can dry it in the sun as well. Next, step 2, comb it well. Comb it well so that there won't be any tangles in your hair. Number 3, tie with a band. The amount of length you want to donate, tie it at the top, and in the 4th step you will braid your hair properly and then put another rubber band at the end of the hair as well. Now in the 5th step, what you will do, you will cut the hair with a sharp scissor. Please keep in mind you have to use a sharp scissor, otherwise the edge of the hair will not be perfect. Okay, next in the 6th step you have to hold the hair in your hand and click the picture. Alright, in the 7th step you will put that hair into a plastic ziplock pouch or any plastic which is very clean. You will put it inside, you will put the locks inside and then sellotape it from outside, and then writing the address of the NGO, you can send it through post office or any other courier services. Now I'll tell you that the addresses of the institutions or NGOs who receive donation, hair donation. I spoke to Tata Hospital, Tata Memorial Hospital, but they have stopped taking it. So I have switched to another NGO, that is Hair Crown. There are other institutions as well, but the place where I want to donate is Hair Crown, and they are very quick to reply. I'll send their WhatsApp number as well. Whatever queries you have, you can ask them, and after consulting you can donate your hair. Sometimes it happens that you send it and it becomes useless because of length issues, because of not taking precautionary measures, etc. So you speak to them well through WhatsApp and then you can send the hair as a donation. I hope my motive of making this video will be fulfilled, because I have seen most of the girls, they just want to change their hairstyle and then they chop off their hair, and it becomes a waste. So instead of doing that, if we aware them by these two things, either they can sell their hair or they can donate their hair, then even they will be benefited. So my motive is to bring happiness on these cancer patients' face. I hope you all will help me out in this journey. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.